Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amarokompo here. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a new discovery that I made. I'm going to be showing you how to use the soak feature and then finishing up with the rinse and spin. If you saw my previous video about how to soak your clothes, you would see that I finished up with the quick program, but I just realized that there's actually rinse plus spin. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I'm using the soak feature. This is it, the soak feature. So if you want to see how I actually activated this soak program, you can watch my previous video, but it's actually very easy. Just for you to hold down the wash button for 3 seconds, you understand, then it will be activated. So that's what I did to actually start. But if you still don't understand what I just said, watch my previous video. I'm going to be linking it up here, so watch it and see how I activated the soak program. So in today's video I'm going to be washing with this soak program, and then I'll finish up with this rinse plus spin program, you understand. So enjoy the video and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Make sure you like this video if you find it useful. So let's get right into the video. So for now, it just started filling the tub. It's still filling the tub. I put in my detergent in the detergent box. If you want to see all the details, please watch my previous videos. I'll be linking them up here, or you check my description box on how to wash with this Hisense bubble clean top loader 8 kg washing machine. So when you watch that, you see how I put the clothing fabric here, or clothes softener or perfume, whatever it's called. I put it here, measure it out, and I also put the detergent here. You see how I open the box and all those other things. So for now, it's filling the tub. The water is filling the tub to the level 5. So once it gets there, it's going to start the soak feature. So I'll be showing you that once it gets to that point. And after that wash process, we're going to move on to the rinse plus spin program. So make sure you watch to the very end, and I'd like to know your thoughts. Kindly comment where you're watching from, and if you still have any questions as you watch the video, make sure you ask your questions and we'll get to that soon. So the washing just started, and I'm going to give you an indication of how it works in this video. So this is actually how it works. Like when it washes for some minutes, then it pauses. It just stays still for some minutes. So that's how the soak feature works. I know for most of us, you think that it's going to stay still like this at the very beginning and then start washing later, but it alternates between soaking and washing. That's how it does. So right now it's soaking, and it will soon start washing again. So it alternates between the two. So I just did the calculation now, and I realized it soaks for 4 minutes. So it alternates soaking for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes elapses, it starts washing again. So guys, if you are yet to hit the like button at this point or subscribe to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Guys, if you actually got this Hisense bubble clean 8 kg top loader washing machine, you just need to sit down on my channel and just eat all the whole videos, because I've got it covered. I've got it covered. How to wash, how to rinse, how to soak, how to do top clean, how to correct some errors that you get to see. Whatever it is you need to know about this Hisense top loader 8 kg washing machine, I've got it covered. So just make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And guys, the people that join the membership are actually the first people that get to see all these videos, because I'm going to schedule them for the months, for the whole month, right? We're in the month of May, but this video is going to be out in June. But if you join the membership, you're going to be seeing it right away, first as it's dropping into my YouTube studio. You're going to be seeing it. So make sure you join the membership and just have access to all the videos even before it hit the public. So even a month, weeks, 4 weeks before every other person sees it, you've already seen everything that you need to see, gotten all your your questions covered. So just make sure you watch the previous videos and then join membership, so you can also see every other video that I have already scheduled to go public soon. So I just think it's better that you get to see it as it is dropping hot. I remain Amakunkwa, and this is my channel where I show you how to do a couple of things. For instance, this Hisense bubble clean top loader washing machine. So I'll see you guys later towards the end of the video when I come back to do the rinse and spin program to finish up the process. So guys, the soak process has ended, the soak and wash process has ended, and usually it just goes off, you understand? It leaves the washing water, everything in it for you. So I'm just going to put it on again. Okay, I put it up there. So I'll just put it on and then go ahead and select the rinse plus spin program. Yeah, so and I'll start. So it's just going to drain the water for me and then rinse it, and the process will end. So I'm heading out now. So this is the end of the video, guys. If you need to see the whole process from beginning to the very end, go ahead and watch my previous videos. You see how to wash from the beginning to the very end. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you drop your comments and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Bye.